Hey, so you're ready to book a trip with Black and Traveled, and I am so excited for you. But if you're wondering how the process works, let me break it down for you. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, head over to the site, blackandtravel.com. We have a full lineup of upcoming trips for 2025 and the full year of 2026. These are trips that are filled with breathtaking beaches or culture-packed cities, really anything you keep looking for. So go on each trip page. It'll give you the dates, the pricing, and what's included. Take a look and find one that speaks to your soul. Once you found the perfect trip, now you need to lock it in. The initial deposit for all trips is going to be $500. Once you've paid that initial deposit, you're officially secured. You'll get a full schedule of your payment plan, and there's no scrambling to find that full payment up front. Now, I understand that luxury travel is an investment, which is why we try really hard to get the full schedule up for the following year so that you have anywhere from 10 to 18 to 24 months to pay your trip off. That way, you'll have a monthly payment that fits your budget. Now, once you're booked, you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details, and from there, we'll keep you in the loop with anything you need. Travel tips, packing tips, even travel hacks to make you ready for takeoff. And that's it. Super easy, right? So if you're ready to book your dream trip, head over to blackandtravel.com and secure your spot today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat, DM me, I got you. And that's it for now. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.